Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be running a quick analysis on NZDJPY. And before I run the quick analysis on NZDJPY, a lot of people have been making demands on me making videos on key levels, how to spot out the actual key levels to trade off from in the financial market. So I'm going to be combining the video on key levels together with NZDJPY. Yeah. So it's more like a two-way video, key levels, and also making a quick analysis on NZDJPY, sharing my thoughts on what I have on what NZDJPY. So before I do that, if you're a new person to the channel, I urge you to give a like to the previous videos, go through them, give a subscription to the channel, turn on the notification button because the notification bell because I'll be making videos like this back to back so that once it's being dropped on the channel, you can just tune to watch the videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video right now. So um, first and foremost, when you're hearing about key levels, there are literally areas in the market where price tends to make major reversals. Price tends to make major U-turns in the market here. So um starting off, maybe let me use this very big card JPY. I love trading JPY pace because they move so well. That's why. So now for me to mark out the key levels here, I usually zoom out my charts, right? I zoom out my chart and I switch this to line charts. A lot of people will not tell this, but this is actually the trick to marking out your key levels. Then areas you tend to have those V level and A level, right? More like A, V are literally your what your key levels. So I'm gonna be marking this out, right? In between them, I have a level here. So you switch it back to candle. You can see that in the past, yeah, you can see that in the past, market has been creating what? Market has been respecting these levels, using this level. I'm gonna adjust this. Market has been using this level. Market has been using this level in the past. Market has been using this level to buy, using this level to buy, using this level to buy, selling from this level. So those are basically the key levels. And when you're marking it, you look to your left. You look to your left, you can see it tallies with some key levels in the past, right? Yes. And see it tallies with some levels in the past. See this tallies with this. This was a sell point in the past. Sell point, a buy point in the past. So those are basically how to mark out the key levels. Now, I want to add that to the pair I'm analyzing today, which is NZDJPY. Still the same analogy. It's not hard, it's not tough. Switch all this into candlestick and the line charts. Go to your daily time frame or your 4-hour time frame. Now, you zoom out your very charts and you look back in price. Where do you have your most turning point in the market? These are basically the areas where your most turning point in the market, right? Now, if you watch out, I'm gonna be I'm switching this back to a candlestick. I'm gonna be um editing this to fit where the market is currently at. And if you can look back in price, you see that market used that very area, this area to sell, uses this very area to buy. This way more like a fake out. So market buy from here, s- buy from here, rejected from here, rejected from here, rejected from here, buy from here. So these are basically what the key levels, right? So diving into the current price action now, so I can see that market has been creating what series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So I'm expecting another what higher high from here, and expecting another higher high from here to break past this high. What I'm going to be doing is that where am I currently at? Am I currently at the key level? Because those are the things I do. Once I mark out my key levels, my move, my trade, my charts, my current price action must be on the key level before I can start making my decisions. Right. Switching to the 4 hour time frame. I need to look out for when I switch to 4 hour time frame. I need to look out for what liquidity inside those levels, which are basically this and this, right? This, those are the things I look out for. They are not maybe patterns, yeah. They are what the imprint the market gives. The smart money traders they give in the market. So what I'm looking out for is where do I have my liquidity sweep in this very market, right? You can see this was a low that created this high, and the market swept that low, went above to what break past it. Breaking past now, that is my first break of structure. Now, I know this market is literally bit choppy, so I'm considering this to be a liquidity sweep and a break of structure. Then market keeps buying. Then this is what liquidity, the first pullback. I take that to be my first pullback. The market went above it, which is what another break of structure. So market coming down, market needs to take out this liquidity, right? Which yeah, needs to take out that liquidity. And I'm projecting my buy. This is another block here. I'm projecting my buy from this level. And where am I going to place my stop loss? Right? You can choose to place a stop loss below here. Sometimes I like being real with my stop loss, right? I like being real with my stop loss. So I'm going to be using this level. Yeah, that's my stop loss. Guys, I'm going to be entering from here, right? And where am I targeting? I'm targeting the next high. I can go for 1:3, which is here. Or I go for the overall target. You can see that 1:3 is more like this is more like another key level here. Then I can go for the overall key level, like the next resistance level. So that is basically my price projection is the NZDJPY coupled with key levels, allow to trade with the key levels. So I hope this video finds you, and I hope this video serve your purpose. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to give a like and a subscription. Maybe on the comment section, tell me the kind of videos or the trading video you wish or you want me to do. I'm gonna be on your feed once again. Thank you guys for watching.